I don't want to sit there. Do you want me to call the cops? Because I will. I'll call them right now.
They can't move people because they don't want to sit next to someone.
He's violating our rights and our safety. I asked him for his vaccine card, and he doesn't have one because he's not vaccinated.
Hey, lady, you can't do that.
You have to have a mask and be vaccinated.
You're not exactly wearing a mask.
I'm not wearing a mask because I have asthma. I have a health condition. I have children. I'm fully vaccinated to protect them. You're intentionally putting my health at risk right now.
If you wish to be on this flight, I need you to take a seat. Okay, that is a seat you paid for, and it's the only one of the...
I know the law. You're violating the law right now. You're completely breaking the law. You have to find me another seat.
It's not the law to be vaccinated to come on this flight.
You can't make me breathe his oxygen because he's not vaccinated. You're not listening to me.
If you wish to be on this flight, I need you to take your seat.
I'm not sitting there. You're putting my life in danger right now. I cannot be made to breathe his oxygen. That's not fair.
This is the seat you paid for.
Do you want me to see my children? Yes, you're putting them at risk now.
One available.
I don't want to sit there. He's not vaccinated. You're intentionally putting my life in danger.
Now we are not putting your life in danger.
I'm not going to sit there.
Ma'am, can you sit this seat, please?
No, I'm not sitting there. How many times do I have to say this?
I know how challenging air travel is these days, but there will be no discrimination on my end.
It's not discrimination.
Vaccinated or unvaccinated, we should respect each other. And as it seems, you have trouble doing that, please exit the airport. I apologize for the delay. We'll do our best to get you into London, England on schedule. Hopefully, make up some of that lost time. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight. Question.